Good morning, and it is the 4-minute morning for today, Crypto Day, Sunday, 22nd of April, 2018. My name is Derek, and let's take a look at Bitcoin. And all the decisions you make is within your own risk and reward, because I would think you're a little crazy to have some short action on the Bitcoin chart, unless you're playing the very shorter term time frames. We'll take a little bit of a look at the longer term, because I was short on the intermediate term on the way down. And then this green candle up. Yeah, that was enough to concern me to sell every TUSD, which is a fund you can use that is basically US dollars. So it's, you can almost call it like, I don't know, quote unquote fake dollars, which is what I consider quote unquote fake money, thus the US currency and all fiat currencies, pretending and acting to be that as money. Will cryptocurrencies be able to survive that as we move forward? I don't know, but they may. As far as the short-term action on Bitcoin, 2 days now, just consolidating sideways, pausing the, well, really 3 days up, but with the main event third day, breaking that level of resistance and thus holding it now for 2 consecutive days. It is yet to come back to where it came from, which would range from about 8,000 up to about 84 high change. So about 84.50. If, of course, that's the next result. We've seen before, after 2 days going consolidating the gain from before, it had a small up day, couple small down days, and then it's moved higher. This thing could get going at any time in which it desires. If it comes down, the 18 average is well lower than it now, so that is definitely an area I'm always going to be looking for as a level of support and resistance. Currently, the 18 average of highs comes in at about 82.89. It's on the upper left in the blue font. 78.39 is the 18 average of lows, which with it rising 79.72, of course, which is the 23.6% Fibonacci from the high and this low. Now, as far as some of the more longer term shorts in the market, looking at the 3-day chart, definitely reason for concern in here. As you come down to this low, okay, that's fine and dandy, and then you resist this like you're supposed to. Here's the moves back in March, where it resisted the 18 average. It had its leg lower, but it just came back to where it came from. Well, okay, well, green candle to the 18, you're going to resist this and go lower. No. After big green candle getting into the 18 average, it was followed with small green candle getting close to the highs, pausing such, just staying there, and then the previous candle, which recently just ended on Friday, really, it got above the 18 average of highs. Band is flattened out. 18 averages of lows is starting to rise. So definitely more longer term reasons for concern. And this would be interesting moving forward. But definitely with any type of moves that can, within this 9,500, looking at this on the daily term time frame, if this does not show any of major resistance, and even if it does and comes back and breaks it, getting above this point here is going to be very difficult for the bears moving forward, because that's probably going to signify a lot of good bullish action moving forward. Just a little bit of time to talk about the short term. And on the 15-minute, any shorts in here? Well, hey, if you got this little play, I'd be concerned now in the 15-minute time frame. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.